Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not responding. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause issues. Try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Also, quickly check the official Roblox server status page to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting everyone. These initial checks are crucial before diving into more complex solutions. Next, let's tackle software-related solutions. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated to their very latest version, as outdated drivers frequently cause performance problems. Then, clear out Roblox's cache and any temporary files that might be slowing things down. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications that are consuming valuable system resources, freeing up power for Roblox to run smoothly. These steps can significantly improve stability. If the problem persists, consider a complete reinstallation of Roblox. Uninstall it fully, then download and install a fresh copy. Sometimes, corrupted game files are the culprit. You might also try running Roblox in compatibility mode for an older operating system, which can resolve issues on newer systems. Don't forget to check for any pending system updates for your computer, as these often include important fixes. For more advanced troubleshooting, try adjusting your in-game graphics settings to lower values. High settings can strain your system, leading to unresponsiveness. Also, review your firewall and antivirus software to ensure they aren't blocking Roblox from connecting properly. You might need to add an exception. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.